welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, man, y'all see my hair? My hair, okay? Like, I feel brand new. I am brand new. Like, I keep looking at myself in the mirror and I'm trying to focus here, but look at my hair, y'all. Okay, so let me give you guys the details. This is from the company Allove Hair Company. Shipping was super duper fast. I got my hair in like between 4 to 5 business days. I was like, ooh, okay. And this is a deep wave 4x4 lace front human hair, 100% human hair, and this is in 24 inches, I believe. That's 24 inches, and it is 150% density. Perfect for the summer. Like, it's just, the hair is just like so effortless, and I had a good experience with customer service. No issues. All of my questions were answered, and the hair, like I said, was sent to me in a good amount of time. I wasn't waiting for years to receive my hair, so that's a bonus. And y'all, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, bro. Alright, so for you guys, I'm gonna just show you guys how I installed it, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Yo, man, this hair though, I wish I had this hair when I went away on my vacation to Jamaica. I mean, like, I wish, but you know what I'm saying? This hair is just giving me, like, I need to go to the beach like right now. I'm actually on my way to a baby shower, but I'd much prefer to be on my way to the beach or somebody's island or something, because girl, okay, can you tell that I'm like really feeling myself and feeling this hair and just like, what? This hair is bomb. There's nothing else for me to say. This hair is like bomb. Like, what? You see, everything that I'm doing is just like no shedding, no nothing. This hair, I could tell, is like just good quality hair. Thanks again to Allove Hair Company for sending me this unit. All of the details on this unit, of course, will be in my description box. Make sure to enter the coupon codes mentioned below. And what else do you want from me? Like, what else? Okay, and what I love the most about deep wave hair is that you don't have to do much to it. Spritz it with some water, apply some foaming mousse or whatever you have laying around, and just, you know, zhuzh up the hair and you're out the door. You know what I'm saying? It's not much that you need to do to upkeep this hair. Of course, you can wash and condition it just like I did. Yeah, I know I typically don't like wearing a middle part, but with this hair, I felt like, you know what I'm saying, the middle part was the best way to go with this. I typically am a side part girl, but I was like, let me change it up a little bit. Let me not, you know, bore you guys. Let me do something a little different. And I'm just, you know, I'm just happy. There's nothing else for me to say. I'm happy. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this one right here. I feel like it just like took some years off of me. I feel like I'm in like my early 20s, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and check out my description box, of course, like I said earlier, for all the links, and check out Allove Hair Company for other units that you may be interested in. It's summertime and I'm living my best life. I'm having so much fun with all these different protective styles and all of these units and wigs that I get to try out. Why not? Why not have fun with beauty? And that's what it's about. Don't get it twisted. I still love and am in love with my natural hair, but I love to protect the style, especially over the summer, because I sweat a lot and I'm a heavy sweater in the head and all the oils and all that stuff. But yeah, so I prefer to protective style around the summertime. But I'll be back with the natural hair video soon. Thank you so much, guys, for always rocking with me. Thank you again to Allove Company for sending me this unit, because I am absolutely in love. Black girl magic. What? Yes, black girl magic all day, every day. All right, you guys, stay safe and be beautiful and stay blessed. Until next time, bye.